Knowing Anna from the dissections and knowing her passion and everything about the anatomy and the way she talks about Pilates and that sort of stuff, that was what I wanted. I wanted to learn from somebody that really got it. And I think the thing about Evolve is that we were guided through every step of the way. We had the manuals, we had the input on the training weekends, which was amazing. And it was a really good balance between the theory and the practical. There's a lot of information that comes at you, you know. And then slowly, you understand the way that she built, you know, that the modules are all built on top of each other and on top of each other and on top of each other. And you actually, you start to join the dots. We've all worked so hard to get to this point that I can't let that go. I've got my studio upstairs. It's all ready to go. The next bit is the hard graft.